Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, which I try to, but recently I have been doing, so you don't want to miss out on my 3 videos a week. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my Ipsy January Glam bag, and I actually got pretty excited about this month's bag. I did use one of the products on my Ciate, so I'm going to be talking about that as well. And well, if you haven't seen any of my Ipsy videos, I usually just take out each item out of the bag and I show it to you guys, and then I read about it on the website. And then if I can, I apply it to my face to see kind of like a first impression kind of thing. So I'm gonna start by showing you guys the bag, and this is the bag right here. It is pretty cute. I like the color combination. It kind of reminds me of kind of like working out in a way. I'm gonna start by pulling out the first product, and the first product that I pull out is this Ciate London Fierce Flicks eyeliner. This one right here. This is my third video I'm filming today. So I did film this. I took this tutorial 2 videos back. It was the first video of the day that I filmed, and I did try out the Ciate London eyeliner. So I have it on my eyes right now. I don't like how it applied. It dried down matte, and it is pretty pigmented, and it made my eyeliner really sharp, which I really like. And I like the tip of it. It made it really easy to do the wings. A lot of people don't like felt tip eyeliners, but I love them. I think it's the easiest way for me to do my eyeliner, so I usually just buy the felt tip eyeliners. And I love when Ipsy sends me new eyeliners to try out, because that's like one of my favorite things to put on is eyeliners. And since I do use felt tip eyeliners, I love it when Ipsy sends me them. And I really like this one, so I do recommend this one to you guys. The precise felt tip makes getting symmetrical cat eyes super easy. They had us at a long wearing, but this formula also dries quickly and won't smudge or transfer no matter what your eye shape is. The intense inky black shape gives your eyes instant definition and fills in all the little gaps between your eyelashes and your lash line, which it is true. It did make my eyeliner really easy to apply, and it did dry down really fast as well, and it did dry down matte. And since it is pretty pigmented, I don't see any getting any like blank spots or anything between my lash line and my eyeshadow, which I really like. So the next product is a loose pigment in shade Sneaky by the brand name Furless. This is what the packaging looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging. I didn't use it just because I did do my eye makeup, but I will swatch for you guys and kind of like test it out on my hand, and then I'll probably do a tutorial with it next time. And this is what it looks like. It says the name of the shadow right there, which is Sneaky, and then on the back it just says loose eye pigment and the eyeshadow name, which is Furless. The brand name, which is Furless, and it is cruelty free. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is what the inside looks like. It has a little seal, so I'm gonna take that off right now. But it is a purple shade. Purple is my favorite color, so I'm liking it so far. So I took off the little tape. Ooh, it looks really sparkly. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap back on and kind of like tap it down like this to get some on the cap, because I don't want to make a big mess. Ooh, that is really pretty. So this is what the actual pigment looks like. That's actually really pretty. It's purple and really sparkly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some on my finger. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on the back of my hand. So that's the finger swatch right there. It is a really pretty pigmented loose eye pigment, and this is the swatch. It is really pretty. I'm actually excited to try this out on my eye. Sneaky is a deep shimmery purple shade that instantly amp your smoky eye looks. It's super pigmented and goes on gorgeous when dry. Just a drop of water gives it an even shinier wet effect. Mm. It's vegan, cruelty free, and the packaging is made from eco friendly materials. Yay for the environment. So that is pretty cool. So the next thing I pull out is this liquid lipstick from Cookie Professionals Cosmetics. This one right here. That's the brand there. And this one is in the shade Desire. You guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my lips. That's why I took my lipstick off. That is a really pretty nude pink shade. It was really easy to apply, and it obviously already dried down. And it is really comfortable. It's not sticky or anything. And I don't feel like it's going to dry out my lips. So this is the Kissable Liquid Lipstick in Desire by Cookie Cosmetics. This liquid lippy isn't drying like some matte formulas. We felt comfy wearing it all day. Desire is a mega versatile muted mauve pink with purple undertones that looks as gorgeous with winter gear as it is with spring dresses, and it is really pretty. When I read about it, I read about it in the Ipsy app. I don't go to the actual website. It was kind of creamy, nice, actually drying down to like a full matte, but it's still really comfortable. The next thing I pull out from my Ipsy bag is from the Balm Cosmetics, and this is their Mary Lou Manizer? That's how I say it, aka the Luminizer. I'm guessing it's a highlighter. Yeah, it's a highlighter. Well, it's a highlighter, shimmer, eyeshadow. Yeah, you can use as a you can use as a highlighter or a shimmer eyeshadow. And I did and I obviously got a sample. This is the packaging right here. It is really cute, and this is the actual highlighter itself. Really pretty as well. I do have highlighter already on, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it in the back of my hand too, just so you guys can really see it. So this is the finger swatch right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch in the back of my hand. Right there. That is a really pretty highlighter. I do feel like it's a little subtle, but I'm pretty sure if you wet it, it'll be a little bit more poppin', you know? So it is a pretty highlighter. The warm honey shade has just the right amount of shimmer to get us glowing. It's gorgeous on your cheekbones, brow bone, and all the places you'd apply highlighter, but we also love it on our lids too. Animal lovers, it's cruelty free. Your pets will appreciate it. Oh. So now I'm gonna talk about the last item in my Ipsy bag. And this is by the brand called Purely. I think that's how I say it. I'm not sure. And this is their blue lotus seed mud mask plus exfoliator. It gently resurfaces, they detoxifies, brightens, tightens, and smooths in a 10-minute facial, and it's for all skin types. And it's also sensitive. I read that from the packaging. This is what it looks like. I'm going to read to you guys what it says on the back. The benefits of this is the blue lotus extract is a powerful antioxidant. White clay purifies pores. Bamboo gently exfoliates. Ginger detoxifies. Mushroom brightens skin. White tea soothes skin. And rice bran water promotes clarity. So I'm guessing that's like the ingredients in there, and it's just telling you what the ingredients are good for. And then the bottom underneath that it says the ritual. So I'm guessing that's like how you apply it. Start with a cleansed skin. Apply a thin layer to face, neck, and chest. Set and dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove mask with water in gentle circular motions. Use 2 to 3 times a week. It is sealed. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it just to smell it. I'm not going to apply or anything. So it is white, as you can see it. And it doesn't really smell like anything, but I do smell something. Like, does that make any sense? I'm not explaining it, but I'm actually excited to try this. I do have a mud mask that I use that I really love, but I'm gonna try this, see how I like it. I'm gonna read to you guys what it says on the website. It's made with nourishing ingredients used in ancient Chinese beauty rituals, including white clay, blue lotus seeds, ginger, and mushrooms that will brighten, detoxify, and soothe your skin. It gets your pores squeaky clean, but it's really gentle on your skin, aka no uncomfy, tight feeling after you use it. So that's pretty cool. It's not just for your face, you can use it on your neck, chest, 2 places that we cannot forget need love. So that is it for my January Ipsy Glam bag. I did like the lipstick. I like the eyeliner a lot. I'm excited to use the pigments, the highlighter, and I'm pretty excited to use the button nuts as well. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this month's product. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys aren't subscribed to Ipsy already, I will link a link down below for you guys if you guys are interested in watching that. And thank you guys for watching, and until next time.